So you asked for it, so here it is. I am officially starting my YouTube channel. So what is my YouTube channel going to be about? It's going to be about a lot of different things. You know, I may end up doing a vlog that chronicles weight loss or something like that. As you all know, that I've been trying to lose weight from January 1. I've had a little bit of success. I've been cheating all weekend though, so let's not tell. Maybe it's DIYs. Maybe it's fan-made content. AJ wants me to try these Little Nitro, the world's hottest gummy bears. He also wants me to try this thing, which is called the Toe of Satan. And it is apparently 900 times more hot than 900 times hotter than a jalapeno. But today, I want to focus on doing a couple DIYs that are inexpensive. You can get everything from the Dollar Tree or Walmart, like this kind of farmhouse frame that I made last night. It was a lot of fun to put together. It was really inexpensive. I think it's under $10 to make this. So let's jump right into that. So for this first project, you're going to need white chalk paint from Waverly, 2 hardback books from the Dollar Tree, jute twine, and a floral pick from Walmart. So go ahead and take the cover off of your first hardback book. You're going to take it completely off because you're going to paint directly onto the hardback cover of both of the books that you've got. Next, you're just going to start painting your books. At this point, you're just going to continue to put coats of white paint onto both of your books. You're going to stack them and just keep coating it over and over until it is completely covered and you can't see any of the text or images on the books because of the paint. With this next part, all you're going to do is take your floral pick from Walmart and you're going to cut maybe 1 or 2 stems off of it to lay on top of the books that you've already painted. I struggled a little bit to do this on camera, so kind of excuse the bad footage here. Then you're just going to take twine and wrap around the floral pick and the books a few times. I think I ended up doing maybe about 20 to 25 times to get a thick layer of that twine around the books, which gives it that really nice farmhouse look. And then I just took and wrote family and faith with a paint marker on the spines of the books, which I think gave it a nice little farmhouse look as well. And then you'll have a finished product. So for this next craft, you're going to need 6 stretched canvases from the Dollar Tree, some floral picks from Walmart or the Dollar Tree, wherever you want, a wreath hanger thing, Waverly white chalk paint, and super glue. You're going to take all 6 of your stretch canvases and you're going to open them up. Now, don't worry too much about if you punctured the canvas or not, because you're actually going to be taking off all of the canvas, just exposing the boards underneath. So go ahead and take all of your canvas off. You can see I'm taking an X-Acto knife, I'm going down the sides, and I'm taking all of that canvas off of it, and you're going to do that to all 6 of these canvases. Next, you're going to take super glue and you're going to apply it to the top of one of the exposed boards from the canvas. And you're going to take that top and attach it to the bottom of another one of the canvases. And you're going to do that 3 times. So you'll have 3 columns of canvases. Okay, so next you're going to take super glue and you're going to apply it to the sides of your columns and you're going to attach them to one central column of those canvases. So you'll have 3 canvases up top, 3 on the bottom, and it will look like a window pane. You can also see that I reinforced my canvases with popsicle sticks and hot glue, and you can choose to do that if you want. The super glue should work just fine, but I did choose to reinforce mine so that way if I did decide to hang it, it would be a little bit stronger. Now, the next part that you're going to be doing is just flipping it over. Of course, put something down behind your window pane because you're going to make sure that you don't get paint on anything. But just go ahead and take that Waverly white chalk paint and just start painting everything that you possibly can. The only part that doesn't need to be covered is the backside, of course. Once you're done with it, I chose to make it look a little bit more rustic by taking just a little bit of brown paint and dry brushing it. And you'll see that here in just a few minutes. But that's just your next step. So I lost a little bit of footage in making this video, but regardless, the next step after you paint it is that you're going to create the wreath out of the floral picks and then the wire wreath. And unfortunately, I lost that footage, but you can see the finished product here now. And there it is. These crafts were extremely easy to do. They were inexpensive. You can do them in one sitting, in one night's time. They're a lot of fun to do. For the next video, I'm not exactly sure what's going to be on there just yet. It may be fan-made content. It may be a vlog. I'm not exactly sure yet. Heck, it may end up being even more DIYs. But if you want to, subscribe to my channel. Also, there's a little bell down there. If you click on it, you'll get notifications whenever new content comes available on my channel. But until then, we'll see you next time.